Okay, a bit more downtime, so I'll get back onto the second video for the T4. Last video was cab clean, seats cleaned, seat covers off, seat cleaned, all good. The captain's arm was off there, that's gone back on correctly. A little bit of wear, but all age related to the van. Looks really good, so that will stay pretty much as it is. The cab lining there glued back in good. So yeah, moving on today. Yeah, next video the wheels will be done, maybe in this one, not too sure on time and other stuff I've got. Got the fuel filter through, the air filter, drink and breathe good. The back's a bit of a dumping ground at the moment. So yeah, I'm doing a 3/4 rock and roll bed. I was offered one today actually, but it was in like an orange piped fabric, which won't go with my black and grey sort of theme for the van. The units here will be covered in the DC Fix sort of Fablon adhesive, or I've got loads of this stuff. A bit more time consuming, but that's a really good Formica finish. It's about 1.5 mil thick, so if I get that all over the units it'll be a good hard wearing finish. And I've also got the option to buy a pop top off Wayne at Northwest T4 breakers. It's 1100 quid, so yeah, mulling over that one at the moment. Be good to get it. I may go down the road of just building the van and then adding the pop top at a later stage. It's not really something I want to do because I need, and myself and my partner, we need to stand from sort of here onwards. It's hard work in a van if you can't stand up. So let's get you closed. The other one today, hopefully if it turns up, is the rear bulb holder. Here, I've put the old one back in, but again it's shot. That wire's getting hot, which leads to the brake lights. So no brake lights, put your foot on the brake, gets hot, no good. So I've ordered a new bulb holder. So today I've decided to do what I can to the T4. I'll take off all of the old carpet. Need a new backing panel here, that's enough. I've got some 15 mil I'll put there. So all of the side carpets here, on the side door here, everything will be off. The roof, not too sure. I actually quite like it in the black and with these stickers on, but ultimately I've got to do something with it or put the pop top on. Don't know. I think even if I carpet up to the top section here, I think with the pop tops on you carpet up to maybe here, so I could go from there. I don't know. Should I buy it? Should I go and get it? Don't know. Okay, anyway, so I'll strip that out and a bit of time left. Take the tow bar off and satin black the bumper and try and get that started. It's an ongoing thing. There's an alarm I've got to get off it. Yeah. So air filter in, fuel filter in, carpet out. So I've still got the original clips on, that's a result. So I'll clamp that off. This loom out here. I don't know if it's this one or the 2.5. Sometimes they're a bit awkward to get out. Yep, both. So I lift up and come that way. So yeah, that's not too bad. It's not been in there for too long. I've seen far worse. Ta-ra. So, 'cause 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 ' that's that done. So a bit of a mistake the other day. I replaced the pollen filter, cabin filter for new. That is the single most thing left out on every car during this power layer. You breathe in the air through this, and you've got your aircon on most cars through these, but they leave them like that. Not good. Anyway, so the fuel filter now, which is down there. Okay, that's the old fuel filter off. That's been on for far too long, or in there too long. So remove the circlip for the plastic there, and 2 Jubilee clips off for the pipes there, and then refill this one with diesel. And to be honest, if that's full, I've never had any major dramas bleeding a T4. They normally start pretty much straight away. Okay, that's the new fuel filter in. Let's go and see if the old tractor will start. Okay, let's give it a go. Yep. Every time. There's no air in the system either. Lovely. Okay, all done. So originally there was a new diesel pump on, alternator. I fitted a water pump, power steering pump, as the belts were ripped off. 2 new belts, both the serpentine belt and the power steering pump belt. All of the water system flushed out, power steering fluid replaced, washer bottle topped up, new air filter, new fuel filter, battery all good, new pollen filter, cabin filter. What else is a brake and clutch fluid? That'll be replaced as I'm replacing this brake pipe there that goes around and down to the flexible hose on the front. I'm not going to see it from here now, but it comes across and round here. That was corroded to the flexible, so that was the only sort of major issue with the braking system. So yeah, that's that bit done. Apart from the oil change, which has also been done. That's not on video, it's obvious. Change the oil. So moving on now to the back here. First job, get rid of all of my muck. Okay, that's the rubbish out. So first job, the carpet flooring I'll get up. These locating points, the alloy edge strip, and get all the old carpet off. So that's the floor up. Thankfully it was just these tiles lightly glued down. It looks like there's some kind of vapour barrier under there, which is good. But I'll still take these off. And the screws high, bit of wood there high. Just have a look, see what's going on, make sure it's all good. So I'll get onto this carpet next. Okay, all looking good. That's the floor up. The carpet looks as if it'll be easy. I'm going to end this one here. I've something to move on to. So next video will be bumper, spray, tow bar off, rest of the carpet out. It's looking good on insulation. Somebody's done a good job in the past. So floor is vapor barriered. I'm guessing it's something underneath here. If not, I'll do it myself. So yeah, happy with that. Order the stuff, get that out. So till the next time.